Former ZANU-PF heavyweight Xavier Tyson Kasukuwere has weighed in on the recent booing of President Emmerson Mnangagwa during his visit in Botswana, suggesting that the incident is a clear sign of his declining popularity. Sana mina mashoko atona kuti aiwa Xavier Kasukuwere umoza kuti aiwa akambodinaiwa kuti akonteste pama 2023 elections ochiuya panapa achikomenda pamusoro pekubiwa kwakaitiwa mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe. Sana mina mashoko amudanyirwa panapa nodobva subscribe like or turn the bell icon. Timina Zim anyora vachiti speaking out after the embarrassing episode, Kasukuwere, who was disqualified from the 2023 presidential race and served as ZANU-PF's national political commissar, argued that moments like this should prompt self-reflection. Certain events, behaviors, and the reactions you get require a moment of deep reflection, he stated. Kasukuwere continued, emphasizing the importance of introspection, particularly when foreigners begin to show disrespect. We are all not perfect, but once people, including foreigners, started disrespecting you, introspection becomes necessary. The incident took place when Mnangagwa attended the inauguration of Duma Boko as the new president of Botswana. As Mnangagwa arrived, he was met with boos from some sections of the crowd, highlighting the growing dissatisfaction with the leadership both at home and abroad. Kasukuwere, who has had a tumultuous relationship with Mnangagwa and ZANU-PF, also noted that wisdom and age should ideally go hand in hand. Tomashwambuda toko panapa Kasukuwere tona kuti aiwa anozouya achipanapa kunenge kunyumba tukamiro nyika yeZimbabwe achiti aiwa wisdom kana inoenderanawo nekukura kana munhu achita achinopera basa wisdom inenge ichitawo ichinoperawo. Mashoko anosiwataura naKasukuwere. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuda comment section medu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.